Hey guys, welcome to the tutorial for Jai Ho. This is a really fun song. It's got a little Bollywood element to it. Ta, ta. So let's get learning. Here we go, section 1. It's going to start with this little knee pump. Just go side to side, ta, ta. It's a little pony. So you're basically just taking that knee up, up, up. So the weight goes down the foot. It goes down, 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 down. Another way, down, 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 down. Yeah? Where it has the arms here. We're just going to be serving up, palms up, and it's going to start to the right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Arm circle, up and over. And then we go back 1, 2, 3, 4, and arms hold side. Next section, we're going to take to the right. Arms circle down, down, together. Step side, step side. To the left, arms circle down and up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So arms are coming in front of the body, opening, and we're going to have the snake arm side and side. To the right it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to take it towards the mirror right now. We're going to go double right, double left, double right, double, and back, same thing, double right, double left, double right, double left. Now add in the arms. Arms are going to come across the body front, and they're going to snap out. There's a nice accent in the music. So it's pa, ta. Good. Going forward, we go 1, 2, ta, ta, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section is the chorus. Left arm is going to be behind the back. You're going to see the back of the hand, the lower back. And the right arm is going to be up in a nice half circle here. So it looks like this. Across the body, then we turn with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes across 5, 6, 7, 8. Return, switching sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that arm that's working is just doing a little wave of the flag here. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section where you get the hips working here with the booty. Arms are going to be just twisting from the wrist. So right foot's in front of you, arms are up, and you twist, 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 and the arms come up in front, 5, 6, 7, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the arms are just coming across right here, right in front of the body. Palms are out the whole time until you get there, and then you twist. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's no weight on the front foot. 2, just twisting that ankle back. 6, 7, 8. One more section. We're going to take it up forward. Now we're going to walk them nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step right, step left. Then back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step right, step left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With those walks, of course, there's arms. So the arms are going to be up as they come towards the front of the mirror. Arms are going to drop down. And then the right hand is going to come across the body with a fan and left arm fan. Then they're going to circle back up here. And when we get to back, we're going to just take the elbows side and side. So it looks like this. We walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right arm, left arm. 1, 2, 3. Elbows up and up. Again. 1, 2, 3. Sharp. Ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's all the sections for Jai Ho. Let's dance it.